Gold yesterday has rise in value, so the price has reached very close to this one, 2410.64, where we can see the highest price level was around 2412 because of this wick on the upper side. The candle was a bullish candle with a larger wick on the lower side, but on the small one, where we can see that today candle is continuing to rise in value. So the next levels, what I am expecting after the price continues to reach higher price levels, is the next one here, which is 2422.00, because, and also this one here, 2420. So these are the levels that I'm expecting that the price could reach today if the price continues to rise in value. On the bottom side, first of all, the price needs to go below these two price levels, which these two candles open and close price levels, which is below 2395.88, in order to continue to fall even more down. But after that, the strong support level around 2390.94 will need to be broken in order to continue further down. Now on the upper side, this small resistance I have mentioned, 2422, is the next target on the daily time frame. If the price continues to rise in value, we can see that after the price makes a breakout to the upper side, the next one will be here, 2426.54, and also as a small resistance level. After that, if the price continues to rise in value, we can see that the next level will be here, which is 2439.00, which is also a confluence between the support and the resistance levels visible on the daily time frame. Now, much more details will be inside lower time frames like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where I have several smaller support and resistance levels. You can see that here, which I will cover inside the Telegram group with the traders, where I will inform them when the market happens, makes a breakout, for example, like in this example here, and also like in this example here, targeting the next resistance or support level. This will be visible inside the Telegram group, where the traders get notification during the day when something happens on the market and if there is any potential targets on the lower time frames. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.